Good morning, children. Welcome to your maths class. Today we will learn about Roman numerals. Romans used other symbols for writing numbers. They used only 7 basic symbols that is given here, that is I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Their respective values are given in this table. Now I stands as 1, V as 5, X as 10, L as 50, C as 100, D as 500 and M as 1000. So these are the values of these given basic symbols. Rules. Now here we have main 3 rules. So with the help of these rules we can write different kind of Roman numerals. So first is rule of repetition, second is rule of addition, third is rule of subtraction. So one by one we will discuss about them. So first is rule of repetition. Now symbol V, L and D are never repeated. Now these three symbols we can't repeat. Symbol I, X, C and M can be repeated 3 times at maximum. Means these 4 symbols we can repeat maximum for 3 times, not more than 3 times. Now when a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3 respectively. Now here an example is given here. Now Hindu Arabic numeral 10 is given. Now if we want to write in Roman numeral, now we know the symbol X has value 10. So we will write a single alphabet X. Now if we want to write 20, then we will write, means we will repeat the symbol X twice. So 10 we will multiply by 2 to get it as 20. In a similar case for 30 we will multiply 10 by 3 to get 30. Symbol I, X, C and M can be repeated 3 times at maximum, like 10 as X, now 20 as X, X, 30 as X, X, X. Can we write 40 as X, 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 X? No. 40 we can't write as X, 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 X because X letter we can repeat maximum at 3 times only. Next is symbol V, L and D are never repeated. Now these symbols we can't repeat. Now let's see the example. Now 10 as X. Can we write 10 with the help of letter V? Can we repeat V twice? Because V is equal to 5. Can we repeat it? No, we can't repeat. So this one is wrong. Okay. Next is rule of addition. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of higher value, we add the smaller value to the greater value. Now if a symbol of smaller value, now example is given here. Now here xi. If a symbol of smaller value, now the symbol I has smaller value, that is equal to 1. Now x has value as 10. Now so 1 value is less than 10 and this smaller value alphabet is written as the right of a symbol has higher value. So it means in this case we have to add them. So value of x as 10. Now value of I as 1. So we have to add them. So 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So xi Roman numerals represented as 11. if a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of higher value, we subtract the smaller value from the greater value. Now it is the opposite of last rule. Now see the example. Now I have ix. Now smaller alphabet which has smaller value, that is written to the left of the symbol of higher values. So in this case we have to subtract the smaller value from the greater value. So I as 1, x as 10. So we have to subtract 1 from 10. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Rule of subtraction. I, x and c are used to subtract. These three symbols we can use to subtract. The symbol V, L and D cannot be subtracted from any number. Now see, 45 is there. Now for 50 we have symbol as L. From 50 if we will subtract 5, then we will get 45. But here in this rule we have learned that letter B can't be subtracted from any number. So we can't subtract B from L. So in this way we can't write Roman numeral for 45. So let's see how we can write. Now we can write as 45 is equal to 40 plus 5. So first of all we will write 40, then we will write 5. For 40, now we subtract 10 from 50. Symbol of 50 is L and symbol of 10 is X. So it will be XL. Now 5 is also there. So 45 is equal to XLV. Points to remember. So here important 4 points are there that you have to remember, and that these points you have to keep in your mind. First is I is subtracted from V and X only. V and L are never subtracted. X is subtracted from L and C only. V and L are never repeated. We can't repeat these symbols V and L. So these numerals 1, 2, 3, 4, these are known as Hindu Arabic numerals, and these numbers are numerals that we are writing with the help of 7 basic symbols that are known as Roman numerals. So in this way you can write Roman numerals for any given number. Okay children, take care.